Want to become a filmmaker or YouTuber? Then this channel is for you. Time and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are happy in what you are doing, and if not, life is too short to be sad, man.
Emotional, damn it!
So I made this channel for people like you and me who are filmmakers or wanted to become filmmakers or YouTubers. So मुझे 3 साल लग गए ये सब चीजें सीखने में from beginner to pro, and few months back I got the opportunity to work with Discovery Plus, so that was the dream come true for me. तो मुझे इन 3 सालों में जहाँ जहाँ प्रॉब्लम है मैंने उन सब के ऊपर वीडियोस बना दी है. So इस चैनल पे तुम्हें क्या मिल सकता है? Anything related to filmmaking like how to light your videos or how to make your sound crisper and clear, or color grading, or how to start vlogging, Premiere Pro and After Effects tutorials, और सबसे important, how to shoot a B-roll. So I want to make a community for people like you and me where we can talk, interact and learn filmmaking. So there will be a Discord group soon. मैं बहुत जल्दी एक Discord group बनाने वाला हूँ, तो subscribe for that. So इस चैनल पे मैं सब कुछ डालने वाला हूँ जो प्रो लोग नहीं बताते अपने वीडियो में. तो इस चैनल पे बाकी वीडियो जाके देख सकते हो. व्यूज और सब्सक्राइबर पे मत जाना क्योंकि ये चैनल बहुत नया है. ये मेरी गारंटी है कि हर वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखोगे तुम लोग. And if you like the content, you can subscribe to this channel to join this filmmaking community. Like the video for algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.